everyone, we're now here with Gwen Soriano, one of the winners for Hello Glow, this MUPH. So Gwen, ano pakiramdam na isa ka sa mga winners?
Sobrang saya. Hindi ko siya in-expect, to be honest, but I'm glad that people expected me now to be here, and I'm happy that I get to be with the top 10, the gorgeous girls. So yeah, I'm grateful and I'm happy.
Actually, isa ka sa mga last na tinawag kanina.
Oh, last actually.
Oh, so hindi
I was
mo na
last.
in-expect.
Hindi na po talaga. Like parang I was clapping na for whoever that may be.
So anong pakiramdam na nahanay ka sa mga sinasabing malalakas ngayon, this edition?
Yeah, kaya nga it's a big deal for me. I feel like I'm floating kasi I can't believe it, to be honest. To be alongside nga these gorgeous ladies, that's something that I did not expect from the very start. So I'm just grateful that, yeah, I was part of the top 10.
So ano pang abangan namin ngayon kay Gwen Soriano?
Marami. Abangan nyo na lang.
Ayan na, abangan natin.
Abangan natin. There's gonna be a lot of events and activities and shoots. Marami pa tayong pagsasamahan lahat. So please, abangan nyo lang po.
Alright, so again, Gwen Soriano, Baguio, Miss Universe Philippines.
Thank you so much.
Congrats, Gwen!
Salamat po.